Okay, for the motorcycle, I usually leave a good 8-9 inches uninflated. You're going to make a bubble, which is the front wheel, followed by the tire, which we make by making a loop twist. This loop twist shouldn't be any bigger than 2 inches, 1.5, 2 inches. What we're going to do is take this bubble and roll it into the center of that tire. So if you look on either side, that bubble's not all the way out either way. The nozzle's kind of hidden in there. You're going to make the front forks of your motorcycle, so you got about 1.5 inches here, 2 inches, followed by a good 3/4, 1 inch pinch twist for the headlight. Then you're going to make 5 bubble series for the handlebars. I usually start with a good 1 inch bubble, followed by a 3/4 inch pinch twist for one handlebar. A bubble that we will pop in a little bit, so make it small. Then another pinch twist, the same size as this one, to start the second handlebar. And then this bubble size should be the same as what you're going to make here. And twist it behind the headlight. The rest of this can come down behind the motorcycle. I usually make a gas tank, which is 2-inch bubble, followed by a good 1 inch pinch twist underneath to hold this all in line. Then you're going to make another bubble the same size as that roughly, and another pinch twist the same as that one. What you have left is going to be the back tire. Sometimes you need to stretch it or squeeze it to get what you need, but you're going to come to the end of this and make a bubble, and then I'm going to fold this under the seat and twist it around. Then take this bubble, just like we did at the beginning, and roll it halfway into the tire. So if you look at either side, it's not all the way through. Now, this could be done, but what we want to do to make it better is split these pinch twists like this. You twist it in half, basically. And then pop this bubble once you're done with that. And this is the best way to make the motorcycle with one balloon.